Hi everybody! Welcome to my third and final completed everything journal flip through. I'm working in my fourth right now. If you see jumping around, I'm trying to protect my personal information, emails, medical information. Yeah, I did this with oil pastels. It doesn't really look like me. I added a clip of me at the end of the video. I'm watching pottery stuff and scrap pages. Gotta love scrap pages. My favorite thing to do in my journals. This was okay. Just seeing how I illustrate people. I never draw people, so. And I love these flowers. Look at them. They're so curly. Sometimes I feel like drawing with pen. My butter crunch lettuce that has now gone to seed at this point. Pocky chocolate, 8 out of 10. Apparently I rated that. I like to stick things out. And this is a little collage. Look at that textured paper. Oh, I love it. Yeah, see, I love this textured paper. It's amazing. I love drawing flowers. If you know me, you know I love drawing flowers. More flowers, spicy sauce recipe, and a bunch of star people. I just thought it would be cute, right? Don't look at these frogs. Don't look at the frogs. I was supposed to make this look prettier, but I didn't care anymore. I really like that sun coming over the mountain. You know, doodles. Another cut to protect my identity, but Hakka town food is amazing. If you ever get to have real Hakka Chinese food, oh, it's amazing. I love that tree. And this is by Jessica Elena. I have copied her stuff before. Or their stuff. I don't know their pronouns. My pronouns are they, them, just in case anyone cares. More of these flowers with oil pastels. I love their flowers. I'm trying to design my own flowers. I was watching D&D stuff at the moment, so I thought it would be fun. Puffball Supreme, I guess, is the best name I could come up with. Really pretty. Love those pictures. And here I'm trying to show you the cardinal I drew without showing you the medical information right above it. Cute, right? Like this little house over the hills. Yeah, I protect my skin and I love cheesecake, so I need to make some more. I saw this really white truck on the road. I drew that in the car. And I'm obsessed with sparkles. Scrap page. Just enjoying my time sticking things in my journal. Just stapled that on, why not? A little tip-in. Tiki cat sticks. Not sponsored. I wish. He loves them. And he is 11 now. My boy. We'll see how these dried flowers survive. My in-laws are the best. I love them. They always bring me treats. And Paris Baguette is like a Korean bakery. The name deceives, I know. I saw Farrell do this on YouTube. Farrell, I'm not quite sure, but Was obsessed. I finally got some carts to put my supplies in. Covering up the address. Whoopsie. And more scrap paper fairy homes. Yeah, oh, I actually took that outside with me today. Yep. I was copying some Art Nouveau stuff and I got highlighters. Can you believe I didn't have any? Yeah, cue the obsession with neon everything. I even bought neon paint the other day. I think these kind of look like AI drawings of trees. And I designed this. These turned into watercolor paintings. I don't know. I never draw people again. I thought, well, maybe I can design an OC. And I drew the same person several times over, trying out different things, seeing what I like, what shape of head I like, what nose I like, what eyes I like, what eyebrows I like. If I like eyebrows at all. I don't know. Gotta have flowers everywhere though. And I just like stapled that stuff on the edge of the page. Fun, right? A bunch of arrows. I'm Cupid. I scraped paint on these pages and then I drew on magazine paper pages. Cut them out, stitched some up. Just texture, just fun. Bunch of Riddim magazine pages in the background here, you can see. And love this page, a scrap page, and highlighters, and everything that was on my desk. Even that sandwich clip, even though they're now cardboard, and they hardly work. The Doki Doki Forest sent me some of the paper that you can see there, but the shiny sticker my neighbor gave me. She's always spoiling me. Speaking of getting spoiled, my partner bought a bunch of stuff for me from San Francisco. Stamps and ink and paper packs. It was a great haul. I really like these pages. They're so different. But I really enjoyed the color of it all and doodling inside the shapes. Aren't they so cute? Goose in love. Goose in love. Emma Foster Illustrate. I completely copied that flower from them. Trying to hide Possum Patty's address here. Oops. Showing off the tags that they sent me. I won cross stitch from Possum Patty's page. Amazing, love her. So kind. And I cut everything off the package and put it in my journal. I did start my cross stitch and it's coming along great, to be honest. It's very slow going because it's like 16 count or something, 14 count. It's really tiny. Watched a movie, The Quiet Place. I was expecting a scary movie, but no. Here, Lisa from Digital Canuck Draw sent me 2 ATCs, artist drawing cards. I'm desperately trying to block the address. My address. Don't look. That's their handle. Maybe you can use the QR code on there, but I don't know. I really love this page though. And the stickers that were on my water bottle, they were gone. So now they're in there. I quite like the idea of the left one. Gotta cram that page full. So much fun. About to show you the beautiful nature I'm sitting in right now. Check this. Ugh, I see this every day. I love living here. It's amazing. And my neighbor gave me this paper. Gave me a whole pack of those types of pages. So I made a page, made 2 pages. Cute. And tomatoes. I love tomatoes. Here I bought them, but now my other neighbor gives me his tomatoes from the garden. Shapes from something, I don't remember. Little house on the hills. Oh, I really like this one. I did some gouache painting inspired by Lucy Fitzmaurice, and I put some Fussy Cut magazine pages, no, flowers, that's it. And doodles with my paint pens. Melon Madness, I thought was a cute page in the Costco magazine. And these are napkins that my neighbor gave me. So cute. The end. Thank you so much for once again being here. Thanks for any returning or any new watchers. Thank you. I love you. Mwah. Here's the pages again, the front. I'm trying to show you the holographic stuff. Thanks so much for being here. Take care. Bye. Alright, let's go. Oh my god.